Come here.
Sarah Marino.
Stop! Okay. Alright, we're gonna do the cinnamon challenge. It was her idea. I don't know why I'm going along with it. Hold on, let me bring the camera over here to show her spoon. She wants to do the huge spoon.
And this one.
And I'm doing the smaller one. So, like the teaspoon and the tablespoon. We made a mess, but whatever. Just so you guys know, I'm not using my camera because if we spit cinnamon everywhere, it's not going to be on my camera because we're using a smaller camera, so if the video quality sucks, sorry.
Yeah, you don't need to see all that.
Here's your thing.
Video.
Oh, it was your idea. I hope you could see it.
I don't know if I could do this. It's like, I feel like I'm about to go on a roller coaster.
We gotta cheers. I'm nervous too. Wait, let me get water.
Oh, yeah, let's do our cups.
Hold on. Yeah, get cups. Damn.
Because there wasn't this medium one. There's only one
Close to
medium.
the cabinet. Sarah, oh my gosh. I hate you right now.
What? You don't have to do it.
Well, I can't do it without you. Or you can't do it, whatever. Okay, get your spoon. Alright, come.
Imagine if I just spilled it all.
My heart's like beating.
Should I go first?
No,
Should we just
same time.
I think we'll put that away. I don't want any cinnamon getting on that.
Wait, it's a freaking water jug. Yeah, come here. Give me a... You don't want to do it? I'm down, come on, it's recording. Come here. Cheers. Look, let's taste it. A mouthful of that.
Oh, man.
I told you!
That's dry.
Ugh. You're watching me like
I don't know if I can do that because I'm always smiling.
Alright, come on, cheers.
No.
I'm gonna do it. I'm serious.
Stop pushing me.
No, we gotta cheers and do it fast. I'm scared. Alright, come on.
Oh, God.
Oh my God. Relax. New water. You have cinnamon in that one. The water's hot. Just come down. Here, look, breathe. Come here. Here, relax. Hold on. My mouth is like brown right now.
I don't want to do this ever again.
Sarah!
Really?
Oh God, why? Was this your idea? I don't even know. What did you do? Swallow it? Oh my God, look at the mess we made. Let me see your face.
I'm done. I can't.
Oh my God. I gotta clean this up. This is why you shouldn't do the cinnamon challenge.
So
she hit her eye
I went to
on
sit
this.
and I went full
Look at
force.
this red eye. Oh my gosh.
I go full
Are you
force.
okay?